So we are now going to bring this great teaching from the space and make a dedication to the Northern Light drum, the gong, which arrived at the Tai Chi Center yesterday. It's the only one of its kind in the world. It's been beaten up by a master of gong making in Germany and has now reached the northern shores of the country of the Northern Lights. So it's a dedication for peace, for light, for love, and for humanity.
让我瞧一下这个也可以。我念一个，我们藏传佛教当中有一句话，佛经里面怎么讲的呢？当去年比第东西俺干着东一着，突变俺着拉吉呢，年是拉拉木去过，意思就是说，为了听说这个真理，就因为为了听说这个真理呢，就是首先跟大家就是这种宣布发出一个信号，然后敲的什么，敲的锣啊，击坠啊，就对发鼓啊，就对这样的这种声音，谁听到的话呢，也获得解脱。如果我们真的去听的话呢，那更不用说。因此，我们有一种说法呢，就是叫做听到的这种声音呢，也会在他的心里种下一个解脱的这种种子。所以，但愿呢，我们就是这种敲锣鼓的声音，谁听到的话，大家都获得了真正的这种利益。
Before I strike this gong, I would like to tell you a little something about what's stated in the Buddhist Sutra. In the sutra, it is stated that in order to hearing the truth, in order to hear the teaching of the truth, therefore I extend this sound so that people whomsoever hears this sound will attain liberation eventually, and don't even mention to those of people who listen to the Dharma, to the teaching itself. So I wish people whomsoever hears this sound will plant a little seed in their mind of the seed of liberation. So I hope all of you would gain some benefits from hearing this sound.
我们敲它的时候，通过自己的方式来灌自己的心。
So when we hear the sound of the gong, let's use our own methods, your own methods, to look at your mind.
也许你认识自己的世界，或者是整个世界。
Maybe it's time for you to see the nature of your mind, and maybe it's time for you to see the nature of the world.